Now we can try to write a small code using the basic tag with the basic tags. We have to remember the basic structure first. What is the basic structure of HTML? What is the basic structure? And for that we need to start with a notepad. Okay, it's a scripting tool. A notepad where you can, word processing tool you can say. You can note down some notes there, but that can be used as what? Scripting tool also for the HTML. So you need to go for the what? First you should go for what? And write that program of HTML. Okay, this is where you have to first tag. We have to start with what? If you go to basic, we have to start with doc type. Okay, we had written yesterday a program. Okay, you know the program yesterday we had written. Okay, what program was there? Okay, this program was there yesterday. We had written a small program yesterday. We can, and we have written that program where? Into notepad also. Where we had saved the program? Where had we saved the program? We have set the program into F colon training August. Okay, then what? Training HTML, and this was a program written in notepad. Right click this. Okay, open with notepad. Now this was the program which was written yesterday, and just go through now. See, first structure, this structure, how this you can define this structure. This is the basic structure. Okay, this is the basic structure of your program. Always you have to write doc type. It is better if it is HTML5. Then which language you are using, this is optional. You can write, you don't write, no problem. But it is better to write. Okay. Then we have to write a head tag. We have to write a head tag. Then we have to start the body, and we have to start the body again. Okay. Now what I can do is that I'll just remove some tags from here. These tags I remove. Okay. Meta, I just keep the meta, but I remove this. The content, I remove this content. Okay. I say delete. Okay. Now if you see, nothing can be displayed. Nothing can be displayed, and even I remove the title tag from here. Okay. This is the basic structure of your HTML. Now, first you start with what? Doc type. Then start with the HTML tag. Then they have a section called head.
But sir, HTML के बाजू में तो कुछ भी नहीं लिखता ना हम लोग.
But it's optional. This is optional.
Okay.
This is optional. You write, you don't write, no problem. By default, it understand the language is what? English. Okay, that is there. Then this is also optional. You write, don't write. Now see, this section called, this particular block called, this particular section is called head section. Head section is very important. Though it is not displayed, it will not display anything in browser. This is working in background. It is working, and this is very important. We can talk a little more in detail later on, how the meta tags are used, what are the keywords, how this particular site is searched, how it is supported in scripting language, how the scripting language is supported, and where the scripting languages are written actually. Okay, styles are written. So it gives the place to external tools. It is given external tools. All the place is given by head for other external tools. Okay. Then important tag is called body. Here you remember, whatever you write in a body, it will be displayed. It will be displayed on browser.
What is display?
Display means you can show. You can show on the browser. It can show in the browser. No? It can show in the browser. Now see, if you have a website, like I'll just come here. Okay, I'll go to here, and I just see. I'll open this. Double click. See, now this is displayed, and this is the area of browser. It is the area of browser. So whatever you want to display in this area, display body of the browser, you have to write where? You have to write in body tag. If you will not write anything in the body tag, it will not be displayed here.
But it's output, no?
This is output. That's what this is a browser. No? It's a browser. No? That's what you have to see in the output. No? But if you will not write anything in the body, then the output will not be seen. You want to display career characters in the body or in the browser, okay, on the browser. So what will do? You have to write that into where? That where should write where? into body tag. That is it. So this is the basic theory of what? HTML.